Hey F80, F82 owners, we have a brand new headlight retrofit option for you guys, featuring a brand new style rings which allow you to switch between ultra bright white and CSL Yellow, the flip of the switch. For this setup, we added our optional advanced RGB X Concepts, which allow you to switch between any color you want or even sequential patterns easily via phone app. For our latest Vision Ultra setup, you can easily switch between 6K white and CSL Yellow via our included wireless remote. Each headlight can be controlled individually. Check it out. If you're interested in a set of these, check them out in the link below to customize your build.